Hello po mga kababayan, nandito na naman po tayo ngayon sa labas ng ICC Detention Facility kung saan marami po mga kababayan natin na galing pa po sa United Kingdom. Nandito po sila ngayon. Dito po. Mismo sa labas ng ICC Detention po. Parang picnic style po talaga yung mga kababayan natin. Nandito din po si Sir Malcolm. Nandito din po yung mga kababayan natin all the way from the United States. Hello, Infante MJ. Ito po yung mga kababayan natin nga na sumusuporta po kay Tatay Digong. Hello po. All the way from Taiwan. Oh yeah, Washington. Yeah. Sir, do you want to...
Kamusta ka? Yeah, I do. Alvin, you know, I'm so impressed by what you're doing. You know, you show so much commitment, a lot of time to come here to Duterte Park, and it's lovely. You know, I came here this morning, and people were bringing some breakfast. You know, some adobong manok. You know, some kanin and maraming foods, and it was so inspiring. And there are people here who are given time off work. You know, they've travelled from across Europe.
Also America.
A family from Washington, D.C. I was able to go with them and bring a letter into the prison today for former President Tatay Digong. So, Alvin, thank you so much.
It's my honor.
It's a privilege to speak to you guys on your channel. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you for supporting former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Please know that he's in my heart, and I'll always be thinking about him. And I hope to be able to come back here again. You know, I want to be close to him. I can't go inside the prison, but by being here...
That's, Malcolm, a lot of people don't understand or cannot even fathom why Filipinos are outside the detention facility. They thought that it's a waste of time. What are you doing? You cannot even see the person being detained. So, you being a foreigner, seeing this in real life, how do you feel?
So,
how did that make you feel?
So, Duterte Park has become a very special place in my heart. Because clearly none of us can go inside the prison. But what we can do is show the biased media, we can show international media that we're here supporting the president. Even if you can just drop by for an hour or a couple of hours. I'll be honest, I came here quite early this morning and there was nobody here. That's such a sad feeling to see that this Duterte Park area is empty. When I sat here, other people started to come here. So don't think if you come here and nobody's here. You know, when people drive by, if they see other people, they're going to join. So the thing is, we need to make this effort, and we need to show the former president, but also the family of the former president, that we're with them in solidarity, and that we care. And that we hope and pray. All of us are praying so much. You know, people are giving time up from work, using their own money. Walang bayad, nobody's being paid. We're doing this out of love. So thank you so much, Sir Alvin, Sir Aldo, for everything you're doing. You're really inspiring. You really are heroes, you know. There is no doubt about that. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir, for being here, really.
Thank you, sir.
Ate, ano ka? Shout out ka muna sa mga kapamilya mo, may gusto kang i-shout out.
Hi friends!
Wait. Yun.
Sa taga Mindanao, kabalo ko nga, sigigid mag-ingon ako nga, meet na ko si Sir Alvin, naanadjud ni, and please support him as well, na mag-follow lang mo and everything. But sa taga DMV, Hakbang Maisog, naanadjud ko diri, I'm here po. Sige, Tagalog na lang natin.
Tagalog. Ano yung masasabi mo, ate, na nandito ka sa labas mismo ng detention facility?
Sabihin niyo pong medyo emotional, pero yes, naiyak talaga ako seeing it. Kasi alam kong sino ang nandyan. And kung ano man yung nangyari para sa akin talaga, it's unjust. As a Filipino, he's not just a Filipino, he's just not an ordinary Filipino, but he was also a former president, and I believe through those years he made a difference, like a real country.
Correct. Saan kayo, America, diba?
I flew here from Washington D.C. straight to The Hague, and somebody to clarify, I'm not being paid, okay? They asked me, hey, no,
did you get paid?
Yes. No, I'm not. But to show him my love and support, my friends already know that I'm not vocal with my political stance, but since Tatay Duterte was elected, 100% I showed my support, and my family as well. I've heard his name so many times galing sa papa ko, and I can see that he made a big difference. And what he's doing, what he did was just for our country.
Yeah.
And
Correct, yeah.
if meron man siyang kasalanan na kailangan niyang harapin, it should be sa Philippines.
Correct.
Hindi dapat
I
dito.
agree. I agree. Ano ba yung masasabi mo sa, I know, pwede mo sabihin sa mga kababayan natin na gustong magpunta dito?
If you want to see and support or to show your love to Tatay Digong, just come. The Filipinos here are very welcoming. I don't even know their names, but pinapakain nila kami. Thank you. And
Bayanihan talaga.
Yes, bayanihan, and again, they're not paid. They nagsuporta lang talaga sila dito, and I'm thankful talaga.
Outside of the detention,
That's correct.
has become a name.
Oh, the letter.
Yeah, the letter.
Yeah, so I came here with a letter coming from Hakbang Maisog, Washington, D.C. It was written by Attorney Arnido. I came here, I asked Sir Malcolm to where should I give the letter, and we went inside. Actually, I didn't expect, and I got intimidated because it was like, oh my goodness, this is something, it's scary. And then we just talked to the people, the police there, the staff, and they were very welcoming, accommodating, and they just told me that if it was written and addressed well, Tatay Digong will be able to read it. So I was surprised. The support from the people from The Hague for Tatay Digong as well is just amazing.
Thank you, ha. Thank you for coming here kasi nga importante talaga na merong Pilipino talaga dito sa labas ng detention
So if you have
facility.
any questions, sabihin mo ano lang, just follow Alvin Antonio.
Yes.
Oo.
I do.
Tapos
I
na
do.
sinabi na
I
niya.
Sabi niya ba?
I always promote.
For watching from
haven't even
Thank you, friend. Kayo ate, saan ba kayo galing?
Dito, Delph.
Delph?
Delph ako.
Ate, do you want to shout out po sa mga kababayan natin? Yung mga,
Shout out kay Shy man ko eh.
Huwag ka ma-shy. Yung mga kababayan mo, kapamilya
Sige,
mo.
shout out sa pamilya ko. Nandito na ako sa Netherlands. Kagagaling ko lang Pinas 2 days ago.
Kamusta po yung experience yun sa pag-travel niyo?
Okay lang.
Okay
Kasi hindi...
Kasi marami tayong mga kababayan na natatakot sa tanimbala pag-uwi.
Yes, yeah. Hindi naman. Wala na akong experience na...
Saan ka ba sa atin, ate?
Sa Cebu.
Cebu? Okay. So, diretso to Cebu yung ano mo?
No,
flight mo?
via Hong Kong.
Hong Kong then, from Hong
And
Kong to Cebu.
Amsterdam, Hong Kong to Cebu.
Okay. Thank you for being
You're
here,
welcome.
supporting our former
Yeah, of
president.
course.
Thank you so much. Ikaw, ate, may shout out ka ba?
Shout out ko sa taga Cebu, nila ng bibi. Akong glass.
Glass mo. Alam kita mo.
Asa sila sa Davao, dito sa Mati, akong mamaguwang, silang Juna sa Camotes. Shout out. I'm
Nakamotes
here.
ka?
Oo. Akong igsuon.
Okay. I see. My brother's girlfriend is from Camotes.
Camotes.
Yeah, Camotes
Very nice,
Island. Very
Camotes.
nice. I haven't been to Camotes, but I heard na ang ganda talaga ng
Ang mga beaches, oh my
Yeah,
God,
exactly.
you can see the fishes.
Maybe one day pupunta talaga ako doon kung when they get married. So yeah. Thank you po for being here.
Very
Ha?
nice. It's really worth.
Sa Dahig ka lang, ate. Thank you for being here. Ha? We really appreciate it.
Almost every day. Kung off ako.
If you have okay, if you're available. Thank you po.
Volunteer.
Thank you po. Ha. Nurse ka ba dito, ate? Thank you, ha.
Siya din.
Thank you po, ate, ha, for your help and for supporting our former president talaga. It's very important na meron talagang Pilipino dito sa labas ng detention facility kasi nga palaging tinatanong ni tatay pag nagbisita daw sila Ma'am Hanilet, tinatanong ni Tatay Digong na meron bang tao ba sa labas? Meron pa bang tao sa labas sa Duterte Park? Pinipilit, sinasabi naman, of course, people talaga ay nag-aantay sa'yo sa labas. They are still, kasi nga hanggang sa dulo talaga tong laban natin na to. Just the mere fact na nandito tayo sa labas, talaga, very important, big help sa kanya sa boost his moral, very important sa kanya kasi nga iniisip niya na may Pilipino pa bang iniisip ako? Alam mo yung ganun.
Nag-iisip, nag-alalan.
Oo.
Mamahal.
Nagmamahal sa kanya, oo. Thank you po. Thank you po talaga. Sige po, ma'am. Hindi natin alam, maybe weekdays. Mostly weekdays, yeah. Sometimes afternoon, sometimes morning. Nobody knows po talaga. Depende yun sa schedule nila na visit. Kasi wala naman nakakaalam doon. Wala na, ma'am. Nasa Pilipinas na po si VP. Let's also pray for our Vice President, ma'am, na she's okay.
Governor Pulong.
Yes. Yun nga, yung sabi niya sa, parang may campaign, political campaign sila. Sinabi niya doon na may message siya before siya pupunta dito. Kasi nga sabi ni VP na mayroon silang schedule na kung may kapatid na nandito, tapos uuwi na, meron na namang ibang pupunta. Parang meron silang ganon na sistema.
Pero silang ma'am halilit na
Hi, Bogs!
matagal pa sila dito.
We don't know that also, ma'am. So nobody knows yung information. But thank you talaga, ma'am, for being here.
Ikaw, thank you for your YouTube. Aldo and you.
Thank you talaga, ma'am. Para sa bayan po. Yeah. Para sa bayan po, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Tanungin ko mo yun. Thank you, ha. Sige, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, ha. Kamusta?
Labas po siya. Kasi pinapa-shoutout ni Christine Caldera.
Sige, ma'am. I-shoutout mo.
Christine Caldera, andito na ako ha. Ayan na kay Alvin. Pero magbibidyohan mo muna ako. Tayong dalawa.
Picture tayo dalawa. Sige, picture muna tayo.
Ano ba yan?
Ako na ma-picture.
Hindi ako expert eh. Shout out. Monina Brosas din. Ay, dito pala. Ayan. Thank you.
Thank you, ha.
Thank you.
That was Sir Malcolm, guys. That's what he has first-hand experience of how it feels like actually to be here sa Duterte Park po. So it's really inspiring po talaga. Ikaw, be, gusto mo bang mag-shout out?
Shout out sa mga taga Cebu ug sa mga DDS. Hanggang dulo, guys.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
for
po. Thank
being
you,
here.
Jud Kaayo.
Thank you, Kaayo. Basta laban lang kita ni
Dapat
always.
tinuod.
Kamo, ate, you want to shout out? Mag-shout out kayo sa family ninyo? Shout out ka.
Sige.
Tayo lang naman.
Hi! Shout out sa Bohol, Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran?
Yes, Tagbilaran.
Ato ha? From UK pa ba ka?
Balwar Tinidigong ang Tagbilaran na ang Bohol. So, we're here to visit Tata Digong.
Basig niboto inyong congressman sa anisign sa impeachment ni Sara. Kasahad po nani. Ikaw, ate, shout out sa iyong family.
Shout out sa
From UK,
Cabarobias Antaras family sa Jinsan, General Santos City.
Thank you, ate. Ikaw, ate, shout out. Sige, tayo lang naman.
Hello! Shout out sa mga taga Bacolod!
Ayaw mo na mag-shout out.
Hello po! Dito po kami nagsusupport kay Tata.
Natatakot kasi sa ate mag-shout out. Ikaw din mag-shout out. Ano wag ka na mahiya. Ikaw, ate.
Shout out sa San Carlos City, Negros. We're here. Second time.
Second time. Kasi nga, bakit kailangan mag-shout out, ate? Kasi ang iba, iniisip nila na pag nandito yung mga kababayan natin, ano lang, for the picture, hindi talagang ang lahat talaga ay nagbigay talaga ng effort pumunta dito, naupo. Alam mo yun? Hello po sa inyo. Welcome po. Saan pa po kayo galing, sir? Germany pa mo? Welcome po sa inyo. Barang nahiya man si sir. Huwag kayong mahiya, sir. Hindi kami nangangagat. Pasok kayo, sir. Pasok kayo, sir. Kaya nga. Pasok kayo sa Duterte Park, sir. Sa tourism update, God bless. Oo nga, sobrang from Germany pa yan sila. Oo nga. Oo. Thank you for the whole Filipino. Oo, grabe yung community. Filipino community dito. Grabe, tingnan nyo. Tingnan mo. At saka yung Bermuda, nabubuhay na. Oo nga, buhay na. Yun. May ano na, may Boy Bacolod din siya, Oh, yun. Sir, ate, pasok po kayo dito or ano ba? Bawal? Ay, hindi, I mean, pwede naman, sige, picture kayo. Ano lang yung parang pasiplat lang ba? Sige, may problema na. Maraming salamat sa inyo. We are with you. Yes, exactly. Yun talaga. Laban talaga hanggang sa end. Sila. Oh, tinanong sila ate, oh. Laban. From UK pa yan, ha? Imagine, from UK. Sila ate nga doon, oh, from Germany din yun. Uwi na kayo mamaya, di ba? Ilang araw kayo? Isang araw lang talaga? 2 araw, no? 2 araw sila nakastay dito. Can you imagine? Hindi, ma'am, eh. Wala.
Pero nandito pa sila, wala?
Nandito pa, ma'am. Mga weekdays pa. Weekdays ata yung ano nila, ma'am. Opo.
Usually, ano oras po?
Hindi ko po alam exactly, ma'am. Wala pong alam. Pag ako pumupunta ko dito, ma'am, wait lang talaga ako. Pumunta, tapos bukas dito, wala siya ata sa Monday. Ang ginagawa ko, after work ko, ma'am, pumupunta na agad ako dito. Pagdating ako dito, mga 5 or 4. Tsaka stay lang ako dito. Tambay-tambay, usap-usap sa mga kababayan. Oo. Opo, ma'am.
Sikat ka dun sa amin sa Halifax. Kasi ito yung pinapanood nila.
Saan po, ma'am? Saan?
Ng mga taga Duterte.
Salamat po, ma'am.
Gathering din sila before.
Ganda ng jacket din ninyo, ma'am, actually.
Mga taga Davao. Hindi naman ako taga Davao.
Pero sige lang, ang importante support. Oo. Kaya dami pagkano.
Sa hiling sa akin ni Christine. Oh, mag-ano ka doon kay Ate Tourism. Bakit? So yung mga nandun, ako sa kanya ako nanonood.
Totoo nga, ma'am.
Okay, fine, sabi ko.
Happy you are alive, sabi. Thank you for watching from Manila, Cebu. Faith Karen, hello po. Watching. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga taga Manila, Cebu. Stay safe. Ang dami niyo po naman nag-aantay dyan. Yes, ang dami. Ngayon, pag lumabas si tatay, pustaan tayo. Ano yun? Dagan-dagan yung mga tao ani ron. Salamat, Charlie. Hi po. Always nag-support rally din po kami. Guys, meron na po tayong scheduled upcoming... Uy, punta kayo ha. Guys, everyone, meron na po tayong scheduled sa upcoming event. Sa Holy Week, starting Wednesday hanggang Saturday. Na-post ko na po. Meron tayong interconnected, related schedule po talaga hanggang sa Black Saturday. Para po mabigyan po natin ng meaning at associated thoughts ang illegal detention, what is perceived as illegal detention of our former president po. At pumunta lang po kayo dito sa mismong Duterte Park at saka everyone is welcome po to join. 5 to 7 po. Kasi ano naman yung araw na mataas na talaga.
7
PM. Hindi, starting Wednesday hanggang Saturday. Kasi ano naman, ang importante kasi para inclusive siya ate at saka yung mga tao, makakapunta talaga dito after work. Sunday daw, meron daw malaking event, hindi ko pa alam. Oo, dito. Oo. Iba ang nag-organize, but I'm not sure pa.
Kayo rin ang hindi permit na...
Dito ma'am, pag walang music, walang mga sounds, you don't need permit. Pero pag mag-music ka na, o pag mag-program na talaga, yun. Mag-permit na tayo. Pero parang park na siya din. Park, totoo, park na talaga siya. Duterte Park na talaga siya. Pwede na siguro na. Kanang kita lang. Pero pag loud na kayang music, di na siya pwede. Proud po to show how you support. Yeah, exactly. A lot of locals, they don't understand. We will try to arrange na makapunta po sila. But Attorney Harry Roque was here yesterday. Nag-ano siya dito. Saturday. Oo. Gusto mo mag-shout out? Mag-check. Oo nga, ganda ng outfit niya. Oo nga. Very that. Cristala. Pwede ba mo mag-check-in? Check-in na mo ron? Sige, para relax ra mo. Ama mo na hotel gang.
Dito sa Amsterdam.
Ay, Amsterdam. Ay. Okay. Sige, basi punta sila sa Tulips. Tulips, sige.
Mura pa jumig wala chulis dito sa DC.
Pero lahi ra gid karon. Lahi ra gid pag diri
Ni Unhinged Netherlands. Dili wala gid ni sa plano sir.
Mo ba?
Ako ra gyud siya dingan na. May ubana na lang sa kobe. Ato tayo Netherlands. Isa kontrapot na.
Bitaw. Taga Mandawi, Cebu, Solidarities, Ansin is. Yes, ma'am. Almost every day, ha? Sige, ma'am. Ano muna kami dito, ma'am? Enjoy muna kayo dyan. Thank you.
What if sir dahil ayun pa nga wala instance diha para mag-picture mo din ipadala sa sunod.
Unsa wala?
Instance kanang
Wala na siya. No kanang picture, 'di ba? Si VP before katong iyang kanang appointment, magdala siya picture to show. So actually kabalo si tatay gyud na naagid meron talaga tayo dito. Kaya nga tinatanong hindi ko pwede kasi siguro everyday kasi hindi naman natin alam sino bang magdadala. Katulad ngayon, dili man everyday na na-visit. Ma'am, shout out, ma'am.
Ay, shout out ko sa akong pamilya sa Davao, Bago. Ay, ma. Duterte rin, ma. Sige, yung kog anhi diri, ma.
Thank
para
you, ha.
kay Digo.
Salamat sa pag-ano. Really. Importante bigyan na kang tatay ang anhi diri. To be honest.
Yeah.
Ikaw, ma'am.
Taga Davao sa Matina.
Thank you, ma'am, ha. Makadiri, sir. Ma'am.
Hello. Dito ulit. Hi there. Kumusta? Nagkapamilya na gini atong mga nawa.
Pero ang problema na wala mo siya ginako. Surrender man siya. Ayun na, bawal mo pangutan, no? O pangutan. O may yun na kaanak kuan. Dili pwede. Na? Mangutan na siya sa mong opinion. Pero pag ikaw mangutan na, di ba, magiging siya, I cannot. Try gani. Try. Hi, ate.
Check attendance tayo dito sa Papo.
Check attendance.
Check sa attendance. Shout out sa mga pamilya Saragosa ko. Diba? Both PDP, straight yun na siya. Okay. Sa mga taga-Tacorong, sa mga taga-Digos, palihog kog boto na. Siguraduhag yun na siya. Sige. Bye-bye na.
Yan na kami, nag-live. Okay, Alvin, naka-vote na kayo. Hindi pa. Kasi, honestly, to be very honest with you guys. Hi, ate. Shout out.
Hello, everyone. Andito naman kami sa detention center. Sa Duterte Park. Kamusta po lahat? Ingat-ingat.
Thank you, ate, ha. Galing pa yan sila sa UK, ha? UK pa yan. Yun nga sila, ma'am.
May pagahi.
Amerika pa talaga.
Ay.
Washington DC pa na.
Asa man check-in?
No, hindi pa ako naka-vote. You know why hindi ako naka-vote? Because hindi ako naka-register sa September last year. Because, to be perfectly honest, the information, dissemination about these kind of things were not so, how do I say that? Hindi siya naka-reach sa lahat ng mga kababayan. So, when I tried to register, it was already too late. I found out na September pa pala last year yung last. So, I can only make bawi in the upcoming election of 2028. Kaya nga, sinasabi ko talaga mag-vote talaga kayo kasi nga, hindi nga ako din maka-vote. Yun. Sir, pa-shout out. Hello everyone. Hello. Digong salamat sa pagbantay. Yes, of course, Edgar Plenos. It is a commitment, and once you're committed, you need to do it. Ganun yun. Katarman, Northern Samal, thank you for all of you guys. Argenio, Dadia, continue to share the live, share the post. Let's continue to make sure that the page is engaged. Ganun. Ano, pangit ang taba ko niyan. Para akong...
Gusto mo i-slim ko siya?
Hindi naman. Kamusta si tatay? He's okay. As usual. In good spirits. Paano ba yung ginawa yung mga AI mo? AI ba yun? Paano ba yung ginagano?
Ang galing, friend.
Oo nga. Gusto niya din. Pak. Hindi, meron siyang AI friend na kanang, ay, hindi mo alam eh.
Yung ano.
Kapagawa ko ng gano'n.
Saan ba yung ginagawa? Kim? ChatGPT. Totoo?
Meron talagang AI for that, but mahal.
Watching from Singapore. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Yun, andito po. Meron na po. Papunta na din naman yung mga kababayan natin. Yan. Mga kababayan po natin yan. Ayan, chill lang po yung mga kababayan natin nandito. Tagas ka ng Maharlika, Laurente family. Stay safe. Kayo lagi dyan. Attorney Conte. Ay, di pa. Wala tayong magagawa. Nice to kay kag-voice, Elaine. Si Agravante, sabi niya. Agoy gabi isa. Ayaw yung gabi isa, Gina. Riyadh, nasa online register na rin. Yun. Tignan mo, ganito na yung nangyayari ngayon. Sir Malcolm is there also. It's very chill. There are also food, huh? Yes. Tignan yung mga pagkain. May pansit, may mga... Yeah, merong mga... Tignan nyo, merong mga chips.
Marame.
Meron. Just need to get something. Walang Coke Zero.
Amsterdam last night, we actually went to the red light district because we were...
Yeah, I saw your post. Yeah.
And you know, they want to tour Amsterdam. And you know, you can't avoid going to Amsterdam.
Yeah.
It's that curiosity, nothing else. But my bashers were making rude comments about these women.
Yeah.
You know, I feel sorry that that's their job. You know, and it's part of Amsterdam.
Yeah.
So we went there last night, and then some guy was in a street corner, said, "You want to buy some Coke?"
Yeah. Yeah, it's a different Coke. Yeah. So, yeah, you know what, guys? You can just... It's a different Coke. So, ano yun? Literal na, ano talaga, bayanihan. Tingnan mo yung pagkain, tingnan mo. Sure, number. Bus 22. Yes, Bus 22 siya. Thank you, Glenny Bansalan. Kung pwede pala ako mag-vote ng 1,000 yung vote ko, kada vote ko, binoto ko na. That's why I tried to post you share na 110 laban. Yeah, exactly.
Hi guys.
Nandito na naman yung hindi ko sobrang prepared na friend. Tingnan nyo. Outfit niya. Hindi pa siya prepared. Hindi pa siya prepared. Yung akin t-shirt lang. Wala lang. Normal lang na normal lang na ganap. Sa kanya, hindi pa siya prepared niyan. Tingnan nyo guys. Hindi pa siya prepared ng kanyang So, yeah, thank you for supporting. Yes, exactly. Ganun naman talaga dito sa Duterte Park. Diba? Ganda. Yan, dami na naman ng mga kababayan natin. Ano nga, dito pa, yung mga yung mga tao, paano lang sila, papunta, paalis, ganun lang. Hasaan, Misamis Oriental. Hello po. Tiwasa na imo chika, sir. Usa man akong chika. Nakalimot na ko, Jebats. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung chika ko kasi na ko. Hi, gang. Thank you.
Percy.
Hello, partner. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Percy, like the Percy Jackson?
Percy Sledge.
Oh, Percy Sledge. Ah, okay.
Alive ka?
Hindi, nakala.
Percy Jackson, then I must be really young.
Yeah. Correct.
The movie was really late, so...
Yeah, oo nga. Ay, Eva Palegrado. Ano lang yun, sir? Yung stand-in ni Tatay Digong for events lang yun because otherwise baka masira siya. Boses mo, kumanta po. Hayasin. Sino? Ako o si Francis? Si Francis, maganda talaga ang boses niyan. Please encourage all OFW to po maglagay po. UA mag-online vote. Oo nga, mag-online vote po kayo guys. Please, wag kayong matakot na madaya or whatnot. Kasi nga, kung hindi kayo mag-vote guys, wala na talagang opportunity na ma-count or whatnot. Ganun yun. Mabuhay. Asa silang Kitty? Wala sila dito po. Yun. Diba? Ang dami ng mga tignan natin na. We are not Filipinos for nothing. Yun.
Pero paano mo nakukuha yung Yung portrait na whole body.
26 po. Is another event. But for the upcoming Holy Week po, from Wednesday to Saturdays, meron pong event dito. Laban, sir, hanggang sa dulo. Yes po. Grabe naman yung ikis. Grabe naman. Ikis talaga. Pwede bang high na lang muna pagmamahal ko? Febe Chris Ases Pantig. Ano lang. Hindi pa ba dumadalaw? O hindi pa ata nakarating si Congressman Pulong. Kanta Podera, watching from New York. Thanks, Alvin. Hello po, Narofi Congress. So, ganito po yung nangyayari ngayon. Chill-chill lang po yung mga tao. Yes, exactly. His wife is, very supportive, I must say, because he's been here already 3 times.